All right, chat. We're watching best Isle of Man TT compilation. Let's check it out. That chat. This is it's a motorbike race, huh? I've never seen this before. Well, I did see like clips of it before, here and there, but not like I don't even know how you race this. You know, they go really fast, huh? Bro, this is gotta be one of the most dangerous sports ever, right? Like, one mistake and it's over, basically. I love the sound of it just passing you by. Like the Doppler effect. Okay, so how fast do they go? Probably when there's like an open stretch, they go like 300, right? Kilometers. 300 miles. Well, I don't think they go 300 miles. I mean, maybe. Yeah, bikes are so cool. I've always wanted to get a bike, but I think I'm a bit too much of a pussy. Like, the amount of people that just, you know, the stories I hear, even from like friends and stuff, are just people passing away from just like driving home, not even like anything, you know. There's just one story, chat, I heard one time when I was growing up in Poland. It was actually scarred me today. There was I don't know what happened, or like what the motive was behind it, but apparently somewhere in like the villages close by to where I used to live, someone put like a metal string across the road from tree to tree, and a biker was coming through and it just took off his head. Like, literally, that's something that happened like in one of the towns. I was like, what? That's insane. That's crazy. Yeah, it's just like, what? So all of this happens on Isle of Man, huh? I've never been there. I'd love to visit. I would love to visit just to see this, to be honest. Because I don't really know what's on the Isle of Man. Except that it's an island. Alright, so I thought they're like supposed to go one by one, but it looks like sometimes they even go next to each other. Is that because one of them catches up to another? Jeez. Oh my god. No, that looks insane. I wonder what's like the POV from the rider. Is that a thing? I would love a POV from the rider. Whoa! Oh, that could have been. What the? No, 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 no. He was going flat. Oh my god, dude. He took that corner so. That's crazy. How is that even possible? I mean, I know like the. Because it's where the tire touches, right? I've seen like a. Chat, I've seen a documentary about it. It's like the pivot point or whatever. I don't know. It's like the G-force acting on it or some shit. Yeah. That little jump thing is so dangerous. I feel like you just can lose control and then just over. Damn. I wonder if there's ever been like a major accident. Not because like, you know, I want something to happen, but like, just interesting. I would hate for anyone, like, hopefully nothing ever happens, you know what I'm saying? Like, hopefully nothing ever happened, but the bikes are so dangerous that I just don't know if... What the hell was that? What? Am I tripping, chat? What is this? Oh, wait. Is that what it was in the previous clip? What is that? What the hell is that? I've never seen this before. It looks so cool. Is it like a Formula 1 motorbike? That's what it was, right? I thought he was literally just cornering it like that. Oh, I feel so stupid now. Damn. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, some of these POVs is just like insane how fast it goes. Are they all like kind of the same bikes though? Like, is there like a regulation for, I don't know, like, what's like the highest CC you can get? I don't even know. Like 2000 CC or 4000? I don't even know. Is there like a regulation of how big the engine is? Or not really? Also, I would love to know how it actually is counted. It's just the fastest time for the circuit, right? I think. Does it also like happen anywhere else? It probably does, right? But like this is probably the most infamous one. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Wait, these are like so much better, I feel like. These POVs. You could see like the handling of the I was about to say the car, of the motorcycle. It's insane. It's just the heads. This is an insane video. What is this? Oh my god. Sure enough. Does that give any advantage doing a wheelie? I don't think so, right? That would just increase the air drag on you. That wouldn't help you. Oh my god. Yeah, I need to look into what kind of like what is that? And it's also 2 people on there. There's gonna be like a separate category for it, right? A separate race, maybe? I don't know. Because I don't think it's the same as a racing a bicycle, a motorbike. I like this one because like the scenery is a lot nicer. The ones in cities are nice because they're kind of dangerous. But I like the like open road ones, like this one. "50 miles per hour," by the way. That sign there. Yeah, guys. Can you like slow down to 50 miles per hour? Jeez. Has some clean cornering as well. Crazy that it can go like almost like even more than 45 degrees, right? Like the knee touches the floor. Although you probably don't want it to touch the floor because if it gets caught onto something, it's like your leg is gone. Plus possibly your life. Yeah, that wouldn't be the best. The slow-mos are crazy. I love the slow-mos. After the race.